Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Steam and signing into the account that owns the items. This proves you can change inventory settings. Once signed in, go to your profile and choose Profile Privacy. Make sure inventory is set to public or friends, only depending on who you want to see it. Also, enable Steam Guard and verify your email because Steam sometimes blocks changes without verified security, so do that now to avoid permission issues down the line. Next, go directly to Edit Profile and open Privacy Settings to change inventory visibility. This is the central control for showing items. Set inventory to public if you want anyone to view it, or friends only for limited sharing. Then save changes. If you need finer control, click into individual game listings and adjust trade/marketability or hide specific items. This lets you display collectibles while keeping valuable items private. Make sure to refresh your profile to confirm the new settings take effect. Finally, verify the changes by viewing your profile as public. Use the View as option to confirm anyone can see the inventory. If items still don't appear, wait 5 to 10 minutes because Steam's cache and servers can take time to update. Then refresh your browser or client. If problems persist, check Family View, community bans, or trade restrictions that might hide inventory. And if needed, submit a support ticket. Include screenshots and exact steps so Steam can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.